Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add home address to contact and maps on iPhone. So if you want to add your home address to phone contact as well as on maps, then it's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is you want to go ahead and add your home address to your contact by opening the phone app, select contact, click on my card. Now click on edit at the top right. Now you want to scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to add address. Click on add address. Now here, make sure home is selected. So if you have work, school or others selected, just click on the pointed arrow and then select home. Now come here and then type in your street. So let's say my street is this. Then city, postcode, then state. Then once you fill up the home address, select your country and click on done at top right. Then once your home address is saved, then exit the contact page. Go ahead and open the Maps app on your iPhone. Once you open the Maps app, just like this, locate and click on Add Home or Home Address. Now you should see Set Up Home, then search for your home address. So then select the nearest one, then you should see it like this. Then come here and make sure you select My Home here. On that way you see Type, and then you're good. Now the next one to do is go ahead and click on Done at the top right. Now if you scroll down, then you should see your home address added here. You see that? So that is basically how you can easily add your home address to both contacts and maps on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.